So in a bowl, I got my butter melting. I needed a half a cup of butter melted, so we're working on that. In a bowl, I got a 12-ounce package of broccoli. I did chop it up. It was only supposed to be a 10-ounce package, but hey, we did a 12-ounce. So to this, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion. So I got my 12-ounce package of broccoli, 2 tablespoons of finely cut up onion, which is basically a half. I got 4 eggs I'm going to add to this. That is slightly beating. Half a cup of butter melted, and I melted the old-fashioned way on the stove. So I added 1/4 cup of sugar. Now I'm going to add a cup of flour. Adding a cup of cornmeal, yellow cornmeal that is. Half teaspoon of salt. And a tablespoon of baking powder. Then all we need to do is shake it up and mix it up. Put the lid on. Label it, which when we get to do that, we're going to mix this with 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of oil, and bake it for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. We're adding 1 8.5-ounce package of cornbread mix, which I'm just using my own homemade cornbread mix. It may be more, and we're going to stir this in, get this all mixed up. We got 1 more ingredient to add. So we have it all mixed up. Now we're going to stir in 1 cup of small curd cottage cheese. Yep, you heard that right, cottage cheese. So we're going to stir that in, and I do have a 13 by 9 inch pan greased really good. So I'm going to put this down, and I am preheating my oven at 400 degrees.